Every child and young person will have had different experiences with coronavirus and reflections on what isolation has been like. Isolation is when children and families have had to stay at home to avoid the spread of the virus. The start of lockdown was hard and life changed a lot for many.
It's been challenging, like not going outside for a while, and the house was really hot, so we couldn't do anything.
I found it difficult to adjust to online learning, as well as to an extent having to work independently because we have not been taught these practices beforehand.
It's been difficult just feeling a bit stuck in the same four walls altogether.
We're not allowed to touch anything like swings and seesaws.
Shielding is when children have had to stay at home if they or someone in their household has a health condition.
My sister has been on the shielding list. She has got diabetes, so for her it's been really difficult, and we've all had to stay home and just be extra cautious and careful. We weren't able to go to the shops. That was something that was really difficult to adjust to.
I've also tried to restrain myself from going outside only because my family is quite vulnerable.
Some children didn't enjoy Corona at all.
And Corona is annoying me.
Who is? Oh, Corona.
Coronavirus annoying me.
Yeah.
I hate it.
Resilience is when we deal with a difficult or challenging time. Some children miss going out and seeing family and friends, and some missed out on important things to them.
I've missed seeing trains as well. It's quite nice going on a train. I just missed my party.
You missed your parties?
There have been many challenges for me during shielding, such as not being able to attend the Black Lives Matter protest, which affects me, especially because I am part of the Black community.
Some children were able to go to school later on, while some children missed not being able to go to school at all.
What I found hard is being away from my friends and being away from school. I haven't liked not going into shops that often at all, and not going into school.
There were some good things about isolating. Children enjoyed spending time with the children and adults in their own home.
Although we've not been able to see other family, I've got to spend a lot more time in my house with my mum and my sister, and we've been able to play more games together and just spend more time together in general.
The best bits have been to be able to spend quality time with my family.
What do you think has been the best bit about being isolated?
My mom, and my dad, and my sister.
Siblings could be annoying, but also good company during isolation.
For annoying me, she sometimes argues with me. I like it we can play together, but we don't have to be in a rush. Sometimes it's a bit annoying for them to be there with you every day, but sometimes it's nice to just catch up.
Some young people use the time at home to catch up with work.
Maybe the opportunity of being able to complete work in times where I wouldn't be able to if the pandemic did not occur. That gave me time to plan ahead and be more organised. For example, I began to create schedules which included when I am to complete my coursework, etc.
Some children didn't miss learning and not being at home.
It's nice staying at home and working because obviously I've been to school for about I'm at school for about 8 hours a day, and all of you might know that it's quite a long time, 8 or 7 hours.
It's also been a good opportunity to play at home and try new things.
It's been fun with me going cycling and staying up late watching movies. I can play lots and do work at home.
I've used my time to bake, exercise, watch movies, play instruments and do embroidery. I've also learned new skills and hobbies to relieve my stresses as well as work on my own mental health. Shielding has helped me to become more independent. Recently, I have been spending most of my time myself During this time, I would use it to educate myself, for example, watching documentaries. As well as that, I feel like shielding has helped me to improve my mental health.
Shielding or isolating is difficult for young people and children because we don't have as much freedom as adults might do anyway. So the little freedom that we had has all been taken away from us.
They need to know the main thing is that they're not the only ones going through it, and that children are also away from school and their friends. Always be patient for the child.
We need our own time as well, and that it's okay for us to just go and do our own thing or go for a walk or something and just get fresh air, or just go to our rooms and watch TV or watch films on our own, because we need to do that as well. If they're upset or they're feeling sad or low about their situation or just feeling alone, I would definitely speak to somebody.
I'm suggesting like making cookies, baking cakes, baking cupcakes, baking anything. And playing outside on the trampoline.
Don't be afraid to have your own time.
To play lots. Maybe you can fill up a sport like cycling, football, and playing basketball in the park.
That it's best to use your time wisely because only you will benefit from the time you use. So this could be working on your own mental health, finding new hobbies and skills. Use this time to focus mainly on themselves, as this can improve them as a person and allow them to discover more things about themselves.
Thank you, and remember to stay safe.